Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about a Camtasia rendering issue that I was having and how I was able to solve it. Alright, so a couple days ago, I had this rendering issue where I was trying to render a video. I had finished editing a video, trying to finalize it, trying to render it, and I kept getting this error message. It says, "We're sorry, an error has occurred. The following files failed to produce," and that was like, I was just calling it test 1. And then it basically said, "If this problem persists, please go to TechSmith technical support." Now, it didn't even say what the problem was, and I had never seen this message before. Now, let me give you some context as to what happened prior to this and what prompted this message that I didn't realize until after it was solved. Initially, I was rendering a vlog video that was a large file. I think it was at least a couple gigs large, and I didn't have any space left on my computer. So when it got near the end of rendering this video, it malfunctioned because it couldn't finish producing it, and I didn't have the space on my computer. So when I came back to see Camtasia had closed out, and basically my video and the program Camtasia was closed out and it was gone. So then I was like, okay, what happened? Oh, I don't have any more space. So I cleared up some space, opened the file again, the project file, and then went to go render it, and then this message kept showing up over and over and over again. It was very frustrating because the video was like a 15-minute long video of a vlog, so it took a long time to render this video, and whenever it would get to the end, you don't find out until the end. It says we cannot produce this video, and you don't find out till like 40 minutes later. So I got this message 3-4 times, and at first I thought it was the video. I thought it was the vlog. Something was wrong with the project file in the vlog. So I did a little test, and I just took one clip of something else and tried to render that, got that message. And in all my years of using Camtasia, which has been since 2011, I had never seen this message. So I contacted Camtasia support, which is called TechSmith. That's the company that creates Camtasia. And I told them the issue that I was having. I took a screenshot, I sent them this message, and then they responded with this. So this is what I got here. This was a kind of like a blog thingy that they have on their TechSmith support website, and it says here Camtasia Windows. I'm on Windows, I'm on PC. The following files failed to produce, and this is the same kind of image, the same kind of error message that I was getting. So I got this, and at this point I was really frustrated because I really needed this vlog to come out. And so I saw here solution. It says here close Camtasia, browse the folder, and then I have Camtasia 2019. It said to go to this folder on your computer and delete the XML files, and then restart Camtasia, and then the default presets will automatically get put back in the folder and will work when producing. So I followed these instructions. I did that, and it worked. So this solution actually worked for me, and I messaged the person and I said, why did this happen? Like, I've never had this happen before. And they said that this error can happen when files might get corrupted. They might had something happen, and so that made me realize, okay, my files probably got corrupted when I was trying to produce that video, and then I didn't have any space on my computer, and then something got corrupted, some files, it messed it up, and that whole thing messed up the production presets in my Camtasia 2019. So I will put a link to this in the description down below, and follow these instructions because it made it a whole lot easier after I could see these instructions, and it actually worked. So hopefully this works for you guys. If you are having the same kind of issue, definitely try that out. Reach out to TechSmith if it still doesn't work. They were pretty fast in helping me, so I do appreciate that. If you guys like these kinds of Camtasia tutorials, I have 2 months free access to our Camtasia course on Skillshare. It's a 9+ hour course with a ton of tutorials. And if you really want to learn Camtasia, if you want to learn how to do certain projects, how to work a specific feature on Camtasia, then I would highly recommend checking out this course. Again, that's 2 months free access down in the description below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.